So, like, I'm in the car right here, see? And my mom's like, my stepdad's raging over, like, his, stupid car that, like, broke down for no reason and calling my mom, like, 400 times, and, like, he's just crazy. I don't know. But, so today we're gonna be doing the dangerous things of a Nerf gun, because a Nerf gun right here can hurt. And these Nerf guns have destruction on them, right? See? See? Pull. See? You pull this right here, pulls it out, and go like, wait. Guys, I have to put you somewhere. Alright, like this, right? You pull it out, put it like that, right? You put bullets in here, which I don't have right now, but I left them at my house because I forgot them. And then when you want to do, you go like this, right? And you push it back in place, and then you pull the trigger, right? And then you're done.